Hi there, thanks for joining me. So this is just going to be a quick commentary over the top of this video for doing a fat quarter face mask. So in this part I'm just showing you what I'm doing and showing you that it's t-shirt strap material. So a fat quarter is an 18 by 21 inch piece of fabric, and you want to go ahead and fold it in half and then fold it again, and then cut that bottom piece. Make sure you're cutting both pieces of fabric, cut off all that extra, and there you go. You got enough for 2 masks. So we're going to go ahead and make another one, or make a mask out of it. It's going to be reversible. We're going to sew along the top. We're going to stuff our piece of t-shirt material in on each corner there, and then sew around each edges, and then we're gonna basically sew 3 sides, and then we're gonna flip it inside out. So we're gonna stop, we're gonna add our piece of t-shirt fabric to the inside. You want to stuff it inside and then sew it on, sew it in, and then stop, add your second piece, kind of keep it out of the way, make sure you sew it, turn it, readjust it, and then go ahead and sew that last side. Whenever you take it off, you're going to want to flip it inside out, and then we're going to fold in those ends just a little bit and flatten it all out, make it all nice, and then you're going to stuff in your t-shirt strips, but you're going to do it on the outside this time. And then stuff it in at the top and the bottom, and boom, you have all of your straps on. And if you watched the video before, you have to do all of these this anyways to create the mask part, and then you have to go and sew your straps on later. In this, you don't have to. And so as far as the pleating goes, you can pleat it however you want it. I kind of have fallen in love with this shape, but it doesn't really matter because whenever it's on a face, it's going to be all open. The pleating doesn't matter at all. But so you can choose however you want to do it. But in any case, you sew up one side, turn it, and sew it back down that same side, and then go to the other side and do the same thing. And that way you only have to trim your stuff on each side. And you already have everything done. That was a little image of one that I had done that didn't have straps. But this is all there is to it, guys. I hope that this was helpful, and here's a little thing of a fat quarter in case you don't know what they are. Talk to you guys later. Bye!